Morning guys, August 6, 2026. I got a call from a shower leaking down through the ceiling. So I think it might be I'm not sure, but it's probably a Simmons diverter, bottom diverter that's leaking. That's what I'm thinking, but I might be wrong. But anyway, this guy's got some other work he wants me to do, and they're working in the house over there, so I don't know, maybe they broke a water line in the wall or something. We'll figure it out. Try to get you some shots. Oh, it was coming through the light.
Yep.
Alright, we'll check that. And then the tiles in here?
Yeah, keep going. And around to your left. Is he unzipped it? No. Here.
Oh, it's a zipper.
Yep. Yeah, he's been in here a week. Okay.
Like the lady in red, huh?
Yeah. Around to the left.
Whoa. Okay, so he's putting a new shower in. Yeah, see what I mean? They got this. They do this rubber shit. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I got to connect to that. All this is staying. All this other stuff is staying. It's just the shower.
Yep.
So we have to look downstairs. So none of this none of this has been changed.
No, you can see the cut line.
Yeah, so that's not that big of a deal, man. That shouldn't be a big deal for me.
Yeah,
let's check it out.
Yeah, it looks like it's reasonably accessible. I might have to move some stuff around.
Well, the guy did a nice job with putting all this stuff down. It's like following the yellow brick road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember your son was the one that had that sewer injector pump in the basement full of baby wipes.
Yep. Yep.
I remember.
Okay.
All right. Let's take a look downstairs. If you don't mind.
Nope, not at all. I got no secrets worth worrying about. Okay, around to the left. Oh, just for reference, the shut off to the main is behind the refrigerator in there.
Behind the refrigerator, okay.
Yeah, you gotta cut
inside that room.
Yeah.
For the shut off.
Literally in back of the refrigerator.
Oh yeah, I see it
There's a
right
ball
there.
valve
Yeah,
up there.
okay, that's fine. Smells like smoke down here.
Yeah, he smoked. And used baby wipes.
Kind of ruin a flipping place, huh?
Yeah. Okay. In that way, there's a table kind of in the way you can kind of go down either side of that rack. So if you go around to the right here.
Yeah, that's 2-inch. That's a 2-inch drain. Now, that's not a problem.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it right there. That's the pipe.
Nope, this one right here.
Oh, okay. That's 2-inch also. So that's good. Where's the drain going to be?
Drain straight up there is where the shower.
Yeah, so that's no problem. We can just either put 245s right into it or cut this pipe in it with a new trap. That's easy.
Yeah, it's whatever you want to do.
It's easy.
Best way for.
Yeah. So that's 2-inch. I'll probably cut this here, get a coupling, a new trap, and a piece of pipe right up into it.
Sounds good to me.
Simple. Yeah, I remember this shit. I remember this shit show.
Yeah, I do too.
Remember, it was all full of baby wipes or rags or something. I forget what it was, but...
It was baby wipes.
Was it?
Yeah, the same stuff that causes the town hell in their sewer pump stations.
Yeah,
Same
whatever.
stuff.
It was... It's been okay since I did it. I mean, let me guess. 3 years.
Yep.
About 3 years, right?
Yep. And we read him the Riot Act and his friend, and...
I remember that. Alright, so this is not a problem. When he's all done with the drain, when he's got it all done and all tiled and it's all secure, I come back and do it.
Yep. Yep.
Once it's all done, tiled, all set,
and
at the very end, I'll come and I glue the piece in. Okay?
Sounds good.
Take an educated guess and bring up what I think I need. See this black one? That's a shower one. I bet you that's it. I bet you it's that diverter. That's what I'm thinking it's gonna be, but won't know until I open it up. Tub shower's white, and the shower one is it's what they call a flow control. It's black. It could be the drains leaking. I'm not sure. We'll find out. The water's off anyway. It's probably that diverter. I betcha. Thing is on there, man. What the flip? I'd have to get my puller on there to get it off. Wow. Yeah, that nut's loose. I can see the nut's loose. That's what it is. Look at the nut. There's a nut right here. Look at the packing nut. That's loose. That packing nut's loose. Look at that. That would leak like a bitch. Wow. That's a problem right there. This has got a crack in it, I think. You see how loose that nut was? Wow. That would have been leaking like a flippin' stuck pig. I don't want to make it too tight because then you can't open it, but this thing should pop off of here. Wow, you don't see that too often like that. Loose as a goose. She's loose as a goose, mama. Flipping loose as a goose. Wow. Yeehaw. We'll turn the water back on. We'll make sure it's not. Yeah, that's leaking too. That's leaking too. I can see it's all wet. I'm gonna change that. Let me get my light so I can see what the hell's going on. Getting to be an old fucker. I could see it was all wet too, so while I'm here, there's a problem. The reeving tool. That's the size right there I need for the. I don't want to drop that, but I'll make sure we don't drop that in the wall. That wants to come out, this one. There's a little brass piece in there you gotta get out. Right, and then the rest will come out with the easy out. While I'm here, we'll change it. Seeing it was a problem. But I think it might have been the other thing that was the major. Half-inch fitting brush goes right in there and cleans that. Clean that brass good. That's the one for the shower. It's a shower, it's black. Oh man, fucking. Put some little lube on there, Mama. I gotta have some lube on her. Lube her up. I'm gonna put the brass piece in there. That's important to put that in there. That brass piece. And then the retainer. Alright, we'll turn the water back on and make sure it don't leak before we do anything else. Yeah, I should be able to turn it on now. Just want to make sure it don't leak before I button it all back up. Beautiful apartment down here. The kid was smoking cigarettes down here. Stunk the place up. What a waste. Wow. How the fuck am I gonna open that up? Push the flipping thing out of the way, I guess. No more leaks. That's it. That's what it was, that nut. It was this nut that was loose. That's weird. Alright, I'm gonna know. Just got a couple of screws loose now. Got a couple of screws loose. This nut here was loose. While I was in there, I put a new. So I get it back together, we'll make sure it's getting hot water. The anti-scald settings right there. This is a volume control. If you want to soap up, you can shut it off or leave it full bore. You want to soap up. And then this thing here, got a little crack in it, but as long as it's still good, I'm not too worried about it. That's fine. That's the newer style Simmons. Here's a leaker. Just want to make sure it gets hot. The water gets hot. Yeah, it's hot. Alright, so that's good. Well, it was just a little loosey-goosey, mama. Loosey-goosey.